In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Nas100 on Oanda. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the instrument, place a trade, and understand what makes it move. Nas100 represents the Nasdaq 100 index, which tracks many of the biggest tech-focused companies. On Oanda, you don't buy the index itself. You trade a CFD, or contract for difference, which means you're speculating on price movement without owning the underlying assets. The symbol you're looking for is typically Nas100 USD or US100. Start by opening your trading platform. You can use Oanda's FX trade on web or mobile, or connect through MT4 or MT5 if you prefer those interfaces. If you're new, it's wise to practice everything you see here on a demo account before risking real money. Next, locate the instrument. Use the platform's search bar and type Nas100 USD or US100. When you find it, add it to your watch list so it's easy to access in the future. Symbols can vary slightly by platform, so check the market details to confirm you've selected the Nasdaq 100 CFD. Open the trade window for Nas100. You'll see the options to buy or sell. Choose buy if you think the index price will go up. Choose sell if you expect it to go down. With CFDs, you can trade in both directions, which is different from just owning stocks. Now set your trade parameters. Select your units or lot size, which determines how much each point of movement is worth to you and how much margin you'll need. Enter a stop loss to cap potential losses if the market moves against you. This is essential, especially because indices like Nas100 can be volatile. You can also set a take profit to automatically lock in gains at a chosen level. A common approach is to size your position so that your stop loss represents only a small, predefined percentage of your account. When everything looks right, click Place Trade. Your position is now active. You can monitor it in the Positions or Trades tab, and you can modify or close it at any time. Keep an eye on spreads, overnight financing, and trading hours, as these can affect your costs and execution. Here's a simple example. If Nas100 is at 15,000 and you believe it will rise, you place a buy. If it climbs, your position gains value. If it falls, your stop loss helps limit the downside. If you think it will drop, you place a sell, aiming to profit as the price declines. That's the process. Stay disciplined, manage risk carefully, and consult Oanda's product details for margin, hours, and costs before you trade.